Do you recognize that when there is energy that is a stronger energy, one that you feel and express and perhaps even suppress, that there is something that goes out into the world of form and formulates more? We would say that when there are eruptions of energy that circulate in the area and in the air, amidst and around, it is often drawn into another area, and they must deal, those that live there, with that energy. And sometimes do you feel put upon when it is almost as if there is nothing you have done to draw in something that is of a harsher, more significant nature? And we would say that when this occurs, that you move universal love into the midst of it, either in advance or during the occurrence. For sometimes you are not certain that this is the right thing to do. But we would say to pause the mental meanderings, to pause the wonderment of whether this or that is the correct or right posture in which to engage, and know that there is something that you can do. There is something that is most probably the best thing that you can do, and that is to move universal love into the occurrence with the intention for the diffusing, the integration, the release and dissipation of the adverse energy that is now coming into play. And universal love is simply this. It is the understanding that God, Father, Mother, Earth, Universe, Source, Energy, would not wish something of an adverse nature to befall its creation, its energetic ability to diffuse that which will equalize the energy that is now in play. And so it is looking down almost in a wonderment of love, in a wonderment of possibility, probability, and compassion for all creatures, all within this physical domain, to encircle that in love, to encircle that in a nestling and loving and all-encompassing way. And when you engage knowing this, and you engage initially knowing this, then each time that you place universal love into Q and into the proximity of all that is, you will seek to diffuse that which it is and could be, were it not to be, integrated into the energy that is now underfoot, or that is now within your view. For this energy that you put back out into the universe, into this area, into proximity of your gaze and intention, it can be transformed, and transformation can occur when you allow it to be so. When you set the intention for that magnification of that energy, for the dissipation of that adverse energy, and for the integration of the good energy, to move and to realign all that is before you. And so recognize this as you move to enlist and give back through the intention that you set up now to move this universal love back into play, into the awareness of all that would be aware of such. For it is a healing component. It is a healing component that can be utilized this day. And even in the aftermath of all that has come before, know that at any point and at each point, universal love is significant, for it will allow a different occurrence to occur within the happenings and the aftermath that does appear at the door of the one who recognizes the adversity of the energy that sometimes is in play. And so this day, tomorrow, and each day, incorporate universal love into your early morning meditation. Incorporate and integrate and grow universal love in the platform that you progress in and through, so that it might be a part of each day in a magnificent way.